Hi, Joseph. Thank you so much for your work this week. Let's see. Your first question is that you only use the one conversation you overheard in that poem, and is that all right? I think it's totally fine. I actually think it's very clever that you found this one little dialogue, this one two-line dialogue, and turned it into a poem. It's super charming. It's a really charming poem. I'll say it's a little bit short. I have requested that students, kind of for the rest of our class, attempt to write a poem that is at least 12 lines long, and yours is 10 lines long. So just think about that in the future. It's not a huge problem, but I just want to make sure that you're writing into it. Um, your other one, the first two lines of the poem, should you make it just one line? I actually think I would prefer it to be one line, two friends, maybe strangers, the musicality of that instead of two friends, maybe strangers. I think I would prefer that as a reader. I think that works better. But I think this poem is super charming. I think that you're questioning that. I can imagine when you say I look over in a blank stare, I can sort of imagine that confusion. You're sitting there, you hear this strange thing, um, and then the decision to probably best to leave it be at the end here, I think is really lovely. It's really charming. Thank you so much for your work this week.